Dog, I literally can't make this shit up, dog. Hey, come record. Hey. I can't make this shit up. I swear to God. I swear to God. I swear to God.
Too foreign me, big.
Copyright. Hey man, we in that bad ass what? Red Sport? Red Sport, nigga. This ain't no regular. This ain't no regular Q50.
Red Sport, you see they like Sport Plus.
Yeah, Sport. Oh, he got Sport Plus in his own. We on post can't do too much. That shit hard. This shit is nasty. This shit make me miss my Q50 so bad, like. This interior crazy too. Fuck.
You said downpipes on Friday.
That day, them downpipes gonna be crazy. I ain't
I'm
gonna
curious
lie.
what that bitch gonna sound like.
Yeah, when you put the downpipes on here, I know it's gonna sound right. Hell yeah, my boy. Appreciate you. Alright. Hold on. Y'all gotta look at the outside of this joint too though. This shit crazy looking. This shit crazy looking. Boy, shit look clean as hell. Clean as hell. What's good, Too Foreign Fam? Sucks that I gotta make a video like this, bro. But hey, the G did catch on fire. Working on the fuel rails at the time. Little fuel leak. I was working on the fuel rails. Goddamn, I went to push start it. Long story short, went over a little bump right there. Big ass, mean ass bump. Went over that bump. It knocked one of the fuel rails loose, so it's squirting fuel out and stuff. I'm assuming the fuel must have touched the headers or something, got hot and ignited. It ignited on the street. I don't feel like showing you on the street, but yeah, definitely did result in like a couple $1,000s worth of repairs that's gonna be needed. I'm gonna take this opportunity and just switch up a lot of stuff. The intake manifold I had on there was just a little cheap intake manifold. It wasn't cheap, but a little intake manifold that I was not gonna keep on there permanently. It was gonna be temporary to begin with. So I'm gonna go ahead and swap out all of that. How you call it? Yeah. So shoot, I'm gonna do a lot. I ain't gonna tell y'all too much, but we're gonna leave it at that. Hey, how about this?
Oh no!
All right, look. I got a nice little deal for y'all. Listen. If y'all sit here, be quiet, don't fight, don't jump, don't do nothing the whole car ride, then I'll give you $2. $2, not one, but $2. $2. How that sound? Yeah.
No.
All right. Time starts when I get in the car. Put this window up. Literally, no bullshit. The G just caught on fire. No bullshit. No bullshit. I cannot make this shit up. I literally cannot make this shit up. I literally cannot make this shit up, bro. Bro, I literally can't make this shit up, bro. Dog, I literally can't make this shit up, dog. I literally can't make this shit up, bro. I just put water all over the inside of this shit and everything, dog. I can't make this shit up. I swear to God. I swear to God. I swear to God. I cannot make this shit up. Nigga, gone. Everything. Look at that. In a matter of seconds. Can you believe that shit? I can't make this shit up. I can't make this shit up. I said, please leave me alone right now. Leave me alone, yo. I can't make this shit up. I can't make this shit up. I can't make this shit up. Do y'all know how much money, how much time I put into this fucking build, gang? Huh? I literally cannot make this shit up. I literally cannot make this shit up, bro. I can't make this shit up, gang. I can't make this shit up. I can't make this shit up. Bro, everything's gone. That's my wiring. My whole wiring harness is cooked, gang. Bro, I put too much money in this shit, bro. I put too much money in this shit for this shit, cuz. I put all this money in this shit, bro. I put too much money in this shit, gang. What happened?
We try to.
I mean, I could put more water in it and it'll be alright.
Like he hit the radiator.
What happened was the fuel rail, the fuel rail was loose on one side, so the fuel starts squirting on the headers. The headers is hot. So as soon as I got right there, literally.
I got it. Is it your car?
Yes.
What's your name?
L-U-A-L. All right, y'all. Trying to give y'all a little update from the other day. I don't even know how to start this video, bro. So boom, LS caught on fire. I'm gonna throw in the clips of me explaining it. Anyways, bro, look, bro, this is the damage, all right? This joint looks pretty bad. Literally, look at one of them fucking damn, can you see that shit? I can't see it. One of them field rail brackets right there. I was literally working on the field rails. Literally. Like, all this shit, it's gonna be a pain in the butt to remove, bro. Look at that. Sheesh. Yeah, it's like when it happened, I haven't really looked at it. This is my first time really like looking at it and being able to see everything, and I'm just, I don't know, man. This right here, this is crazy. This is insane. Bro, like, look all down here. I don't know if y'all can see that. I don't know what y'all can see because of the sun, but sure. But yeah, y'all, this is how she currently sits. I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know. To be honest, right now, I'm kind of having mixed feelings. Because I'm like, the motor is good, the trans is good. Even if I were to pull this motor out of this car, I wouldn't be using the trans. This is the stock trans that came with the car, the 6-speed. I'm not using that shit anymore. So, yeah. I don't know. But it's just like, even if I was to pull the motor out of this joint and put it in something else, I would low-key, I can't. I can't, like, it's so much that, man, I don't even know what to say right now. I can't. Cause then I'm gonna just have this shell sitting here, bro, and I put too much money in this shell to just sit here and let it rot. I might as well just finish strong, man. I done already started. Finish strong. But yeah, so.
The pollen in NC is crazy.
Yeah, it is. But yeah, I'm not trying to park this, yo, so like, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm really gonna take this opportunity to intake manifold. That whole intake manifold is getting out of here. What else? Watch out real quick. The whole intake manifold is getting out of here. New wire harness, of course, because that one's cooked.
And a full new engine.
And I wanna just go ahead and boost it one time, but it's like, I had these dang custom long tube headers made. If I boost it, I ain't gonna be able to use them. Unless, I don't know if there's a way I can like throw my turbo somewhere else. That way I'll be able to use these headers, which is what I'm hoping. Which is really what I'm hoping for. But we're gonna see. And we shall see. Damn, I got the doors locked. But yeah, just a little quick update, man. Quick update. All right, bro. Look, wherever you point this shit, it's where it's gonna record. If you point it up, it's gonna record it. If you point it down, if you turn left, right, it's gonna follow you.
Thinking, right?
Okay?
That they won't record, that won't push.
No,
I'm thinking, but gang, if you wanna, it's cool.
They want finger broken.
I was thinking.
What's up, vlog? What's up? How y'all doing? How y'all dead being? Hey, your boy swallowing it.
Yo, did that shit.
Peace.
For real. I start offing on y'all niggas.
Yeah, come on this side.
So you seen it?
Go over there. Bet. You ready for me to put them back? Yo.
I ain't gonna lie.
Get out the way.
Don't get ran over. Do something. Give me that. And you help push. Thank you. That's
Man, my finger broken.
when I tell you I'm about to do the most jank shit ever, gang. I can't make this shit up, gang. I'm about to attempt to push start this car. Look at that. In a matter of seconds. Can you believe that shit? So either the video I post gonna blow or the car gonna blow. I can't make this shit up. I can't make this shit up. Either way it go, we ready. Can you believe that shit? I can't make this shit up. I can't make this shit up. I said, please leave me alone right now. Give me a sec. Let me show the camera. All right, y'all. What you said? What you said? This boy right here?
FBO.
Yeah.
A8. 6 gen.
Okay.
Headers only.
So this is 6 gen, y'all.
Versus the headers only.
Yeah.
5 gen M6.
Okay. It's automatic. M6? Ah, okay. See, us VQ boys, you know what I'm saying? We be saying like 6MT and shit. Yeah. Hey, be honest, bro. You think gonna walk on game? No.
Same stuff, man.
You think gonna walk on game?
Honestly, no. But we still gonna win though, you know what I'm saying?
I ain't gonna lie, Chevy did something.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie. Can I get a little rev game? Can I get a little rev? Alright. I ain't gonna lie, that shit do sound right though.
That shit turn me on.
That shit turn you on type shit. That V8 shit. Hey, you know I got a V8 too now. Hey, the LS gonna be out here real soon, my boy.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap. No boys.
And when it is out here, these boys better put these cars up. Cause I'm walking shit, you hear me? That nigga push. Yeah. That bitch sound crazy. Let's get it going. I'm about to put the camera on the mount. And we live, baby.
want to know what the fuck he did. I want to know what he did to that bitch. I want to know what he did to that bitch. I do too. Now he know this shit is real. Nigga try to play with gang, we pop that nigga like a pill. Niggas know I twist the most.